and today I finally have the unboxing of my Vitamix. I am so excited. It's been sitting here for 2 days. Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody on Instagram who told me what model that I should look into or possibly get, or which one you have. You guys listed like so many different models, but that's what really helped me because I said, okay, that means that every model is really good. And so many of you guys said that as well. It doesn't matter which one you get, you're gonna love it. I ended up watching some videos on YouTube. I'll put her channel right here. She has an amazing channel. I just discovered her and she's the one who really sold me on the one that I have. I have this Ninja one. I'll try to put whatever it is on the side, but honestly, I almost don't want to because it is not a good one. I've had this for only 2 years. I'm not rough with it. I didn't use it every single week. Glenn the other day said, is the orange juice just staying at the bottom and not blending into the smoothie? I'm like, yeah. I said, okay, it's time for a new blender. I'm someone where I like to use stuff until it is done. I'm getting more frustrated if anything, and I shouldn't be like that. Today, I will be doing a demo, and I can't wait to try out a green juice. So let's unbox it because I can't wait any longer. This box is pretty heavy. Let's slide it out because I think that will be a little bit more safe. The one that I have, I don't think you can see it, is the A3500 stainless steel. So excited for this one because 1, it has all the bells and whistles. 2, it doesn't have an actual latch. This is like a smart blender, so you just push it, which I personally enjoy. Some people have different tastes and they don't really like that and they like the more manual switches. I like the more smart type of blender. Plus it comes in stainless steel. Some of the blenders only came in like black and white and red, and this one, it matches all of my appliances. When we moved into this house last year, we upgraded the stove to stainless steel, toaster, and then our fridge. And then this is the microwave that came with the house, so we didn't have to do anything there. And our stainless steel washer and dryer that we bought. So this just kind of matches everything as well. It's just my personal preference. I haven't seen it in person. Let me see the front. Now with this blender, you do get a 10-year warranty with this particular model. This already feels like heavy duty, just feeling the handle. Now, one of the differences that people said that they did not like this newer model is because it didn't have a rubber handle and a rubber top. To be very honest, I wouldn't be missing those features because my Ninja didn't have a rubber handle or a rubber top. It is just like this. Here's the plug at the very top. I remember watching videos saying that this is actually a measuring cup when you flip it. 15 milliliters and 30 milliliters, or half an ounce or 1 ounce. So that's really good. When you speak of ounces, you're kind of like talking about alcohol, tequila. But I'm gonna be making a green juice, you guys. Lots of people also like the clear top because then you can see all the way through. We have that going on. Now on the side over here, welcome to the family. Guess Vitamix is my family now. Simply blending quick and easy whole food recipe every meal book. So this is gonna be handy because I definitely want to make sure that I take advantage of this machine and just utilize it. I mean, if you're going to be paying this kind of money, then you definitely want to make sure it's not just for a green juice or a smoothie. I plan on doing way more. One of my first recipes I want to do is hummus. I've never made my own hummus before. I forgot what you call this, but oh, it's very lightweight. I forgot. Okay, maybe that's not okay, let's not get nasty with this. You stick it down the center and you can go through all the sides to make sure that everything is properly blended. It feels very lightweight and kind of cheap. I mean, if you Vitamix owners out there have this, it feels like a plastic toy almost. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more heavy duty, but I understand you don't want it too heavy duty so that you don't ruin the sides. So that also makes sense. Again, this is a new tool for me. I just thought it would, see? I just thought it would be a little bit more heavy duty, but why would you want it like that? I'm just trying to give you my first impressions. Here is the base. That's pretty heavy. Unlike other blenders, they usually come with extra cups, extra single serving stuff that you can use with the blender. So I will say the downside of this product is that this one distinctly didn't come with a bundle. There are bundles for other series and different models. I did see one in Costco and it was sold out, but I really liked it. I researched and I got the one that I wanted because I feel like if I would have bought that one and then I knew there was a stainless steel one just for my own personal reasons and what I prefer, I probably would have been bummed out. Sorry, I thought I was spacing it to you guys. I'm not used to unboxings. Stainless steel model. Now this goes right onto there. I think it just goes like that. Wow, it's like so simple. I thought it was, so you just have to match it to the square. So you can unhook this from the bottom so it comes out a little bit longer if you don't want it coming from the back, which is what I'm going to do. Now, right in the front, you have smoothie, you have frozen option, you have soups, you have dips and spreads, and then the wash button. Now, the wash button is the one that I want to really use right now because this is new. Now, all you have to do is just put in some warm water, put in some dishwashing soap, and then turn it on and it will clean it for you. I get kind of like, I'll do it later, so I'm really excited about this feature. I went ahead and filled it up with some warm water. Now, I really don't know how much water I need. I looked it up and it just said add warm water. Self-cleaning, just blend warm water and a drop of dish soap, and then your machine's highest speed and it'll watch itself clean. Done, okay. Now, I do know once it snaps, that's when you know it's closed on each side. Let's do the self-clean, and I think you just press start. There it goes. Wow. Well, that was pretty amazing. It went all the way to the top. Well, that's not really good because it's not hitting the lid, but it went, you guys already saw it. And sound-wise, this is much quieter than my Ninja. I thought this was gonna be really loud just because it's known as like a really great heavy-duty blender, but this is way quieter. Okay, so I'm gonna go rinse this out and then let's try a green smoothie for the first time. I'm going to add some water, a little bit of lemon, just a sliver, 2 cuties, stalk of celery, apple, half an apple. I'm going to be adding a handful of spinach, chia seeds, like a teaspoon. I guess a drink, right? And I'm going to press start and bring it all the way to, there we go. Stop it because it looked great. One of the things that I can't stand whenever I would make a smoothie with my spinach is that it would get that grit. Not the grit, but you just taste just pieces of spinach, and I want it like a smooth liquid. This is a smooth liquid. Like, wow. With the spout, there's a little divot here, so I heard that this is for an easy pour, which I agree. All right. I'm so anxious to try this out. Wow, this looks perfect. And there's no ice in here, so it's not a smoothie. And if you guys have followed my Instagram, I was getting into juicing and I had to use a juicer, and a lot of you guys were saying that I'm losing a lot of the nutrients because it's basically taking away all the pulp and extracting a lot of goodness. Wow, let's try this. Oh my gosh. Wow. It tastes like the juice that I get from my juicer. There's no grit, no nothing in it. That is amazing. This tastes a million times better when it's cold. I mean, just like with any juice. Now, I will say with juicing, this is gonna be so key for me because whenever I would use a juicer, we have so much pulp, so much mess, so much cleanup, all the little parts. There's like about 5 different parts and it gets very tedious to clean everything. This is one blender. It made everything smooth. This drink is like a straight up juice. I can't even taste the chia seeds in here because they got freaking annihilated, you guys. I can't wait to try this out even more. One of the main things is that you can make the dips and the hot soups. You actually get hot soup from here. Now, I know the other models do it as well. I'm just excited to do like homemade tomato soup. I'm dying to make split pea soup. A lot of people don't like that soup, but I happen to love split pea soup. Butternut squash soup during the fall time. Shoot, even now, I don't even care. I am that excited. I can't wait to make frozen treats. One of the things during quarantine is we did become pretty unhealthy and kind of like whatever about our health. We definitely have been making some healthier choices and switching things out and not snacking as much. I'm already happy with this purchase. I'll definitely do like a follow-up video. I want to do some recipes with it, so let me know down below. what you use your Vitamix for, or how often do you use it, what's your favorite recipes or maybe channels. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Woo!